We're going to look at expression, value, intuition. Expression, remember, means that I'm going to have numbers and symbols, and since we're dealing with algebra, we're going to be dealing with some letters in there, and we're not going to see any equal sign. It's just something that is out there. Sometimes we'll have a final answer, sometimes we will not if we are asked to simplify things. And the other part with the intuition, so we're going to have to use our brains a little bit here today. So we're going to look at this first one here. We have what happens to the value of the expression 1 plus 3f as f is increased. So what I'm going to do actually is just go ahead and write out my expression and plug in a number. And I can choose any number I want. I'm going to actually keep the numbers a little bit low just to make the math a little bit easier for me to do. So I'm going to put in 1 in place of my f. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this problem then. I'm going to take 3 times 1 to get 3, plus 1 more is 4. Okay, and then I'm going to do this a second time. Since it tells me as f increases, I want to choose a number bigger than 1, so I'm going to use 2. I'm going to take 2 times 3 to get 6, plus 1 more is 7. So I can see that as f gets bigger, or whatever number I put in for f, my simplification, completing the problem, increases. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Okay, what happens to the value of the expression m minus 10 as m decreases? So it's going to get smaller as we go. Again, I'm going to choose numbers. I'm going to probably let's use 20 to start off with. So I put 20 in for m, and I'm going to subtract 10 from it, and I get 10. So now this next time, I'm going to use a number that's smaller than 20, so let's use 15. So 15 minus 10 is 5. So what is happening to my answer here? I went from 10 to 5, so it decreases. Okay, here's another one. What happens to the value of expression 10 divided by d as d increased from a positive number, small number, to a large positive number? So again, we'll use 10. We're going to replace a number with it. Let's use 2 for the first one, and we'll get 5. And then we're going to use 10 divided by 5, and then that's going to get 2. So what happened to my number now? Did it increase or did it decrease? We should have said that it decreased. It got smaller.